How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another episode of the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. And remember, there's going to be a few videos, so don't forget to check out the previous one and the one after this. And also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications so you can get all the new uploaded videos. Now, let's check out the 65-foot beautiful yacht. Wow, this is really nice. I feel like you're at home. It smells like an RV though. Wow, this is super nice. Wow, look at that lounge area. You see the fridge?
The fridge is huge.
That was a full-size fridge.
Yeah, it was 2 drawers in the bottom.
Look at the cabin. And the actual.
Wow, this is super nice.
This is going to be spacious.
So guys, when you're down below, just no opening the cupboards and the drawers. How's that? But get a good look.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Look at the bed. Look at this bathroom. Oh, look at this
Okay.
full-size bathroom.
Whoa, this is a master.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Amazing.
I could live on this.
Same.
Oh my gosh. This is
amazing. Dude, we gotta buy this. We gotta buy this.
This is huge. Got a full-size closet.
Look at your bathroom.
Smells
Let me
really
see.
good.
Let me see. Check out the bathroom.
It's like
Yeah.
a cruise ship.
You have two. You have two bathrooms.
Let me see.
You have 2 bathrooms.
Wow, look at that bathroom.
Oh, wow, this is a bathroom? Oh, this is a thing.
What is this? Oh, it's a half a bath. Huh?
Oh, this is a VIP.
Wow. This is cool. And this is the rooms here.
It's 3 bathrooms. And
Oh, another room here.
that's another room.
Wow.
Look at the closet. Look at the closet.
And there's another bathroom. Was 3 bathrooms?
Oh, there's a really big bathroom here.
There's more.
Oh,
Oh, no, you got the
this
same bathroom.
Oh, this is cool.
yeah, this is nice.
Okay.
I would gladly sleep here.
This is the main master, or this is no?
No.
I mean,
Oh,
this.
the washing machine.
Let me see.
What?
Whoa.
Washing machine.
Jimmy,
Look at that, guys. Wow.
look at this. Look at this. Stop.
What?
Look in there.
What is that?
Washing machine and dryer.
Don't open the covers, he said.
This isn't a cupboard.
That was beautiful.
Let's go look upstairs.
We got a bright light there.
Let's take a look at both.
That's beautiful.
What's in here? Oh, the
So the owner got lower built
Wow.
for us. And so
wow.
he built a new 650 Express and
Good on
his got the other 650
Sorry?
Express for sale.
Excuse me.
So he sort of does the car thing and every X years just buys the new. I wonder if that's
Oh, it's beautiful right here.
Let's go to the top. This one.
right.
An older couple,
Yes.
retired.
Yes.
No, it's not.
So there are 3 owners of 650.
And this is the upper deck.
This is amazing. Fridge.
We
Look at the
just-
fridge that we have inside. Look. The fridge we have in the cabin.
That's, I think that's the ice maker. No, that's the fridge. The ice maker is over here. So the ice maker, and then you have like a wet station as
Oh, wow.
well underneath.
That's super cool. You can just hang out here. Oh, what is that? A sun pad?
Yeah.
Wow, this is cool. And then they got one up there. Check this out. Let's go take a little walk to the front. All right, now we're walking to the front now. I don't even know. I think this is like a 60-something footer. Look at this, guys. You guys are familiar with my anchor, my little anchor, right? All right, look at my foot.
Pretty small anchor. Yeah, pretty small.
Look at
It's
this
great.
and like the anchor.
Look how big this anchor is.
Look at that anchor.
Oh, yeah. Can you imagine that gets stuck? Okay, guys, so what do you think? Ain't she beautiful? Now, to be honest with you, they were asking $750. I know it's a 2008, but it's very well kept. And think about it, you're gonna get a 65-foot yacht for $750 versus an open center console for $800. So think about it. So here we have a brand new 50-footer that I was just curious, so we're gonna go check it out.
How you doing? You think you can handle this? It's kind of hard to see.
With the joystick, you can drive it. It's easy.
No.
You have the joystick?
You have the galley area here. Alright, so we're taking a look at another Dream boat right here. Look at this thing. This is the master. Oh! Here we go. One room here. Another room there. A bathroom here. With a shower right there. And I guess the toilet's right here. Right there. This is you guys' room. You got your own window. You got your own window. And we got. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Beautiful.
This one that big one. But I feel like the big
I mentioned for 12 people at work.
Oh, right.
this one is chill. You can just sit inside.
I would say that's
Fishing space back here. Oh, I guess on the platform. There you go. Yeah, this is smaller. Let's see. So you get to drive here. Oh, look at the view.
Like you just stand up and be like, alright. So you cruising like this like that.
Look at the radar. Look at the radar.
So ask him how many nautical miles.
Is that the horn?
No, loudspeaker. I think the horn's up there. It's another hangout area here.
Nautical miles.
Oh, a lounge area.
I can see myself driving this.
It's pretty cool.
When you land your side, you gotta put a pillow in between your knees.
That's so cool. I've tried it all.
You gotta get one of those.
Coming down. Instead of the beach over here.
That was nice. Shit. Alright, so we're looking at this.
It was like buying another house.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, that's true. Buying another house.
Same price.
Well, like I said, guys, dreaming doesn't cost anything. But if you're gonna dream, let's dream big. So let's go check out the big boys. board this monster. Wow, look at those cleats.
Look at the speakers. Look at the sun over there.
Hello.
Nice.
This is super nice.
Look at the sun over there. It's like a 14.
Wow. This is super nice. Can we go inside?
It's not meeting now, right now.
Oh, okay.
We're okay with this. Sorry.
Let's check out the front.
This thing,
Whoa, look at that thing right there. What is this?
2 anchors.
I don't know, but that looks complicated.
What do you have 2 anchors?
Just to hold this like big monster.
Is that both them down?
I guess, I don't know.
How heavy this boat is, I guess. Look at the speakers. Look at the multi speakers.
Wow, look at this.
Icing glass.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Excuse me. There you go. Comes with a jet ski. I'll take the jet ski. And you gotta love the Midnight Express and their outrageous motor setup. This is, I think, a 39 with 5 450Rs. So imagine that. Imagine how fast it could go. Now, this is a rare find, a Jeep on a boat show, but this is not ordinary Jeep. These are exotic Jeeps. Now, let me know what you really think about these cool Jeeps. And what a surprise! We found my friend Carolina, and she's gonna take us on a special tour of the Aquila catamarans. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video.